What is going on, everyone? Becca here with a brand new Discord Pi tutorial. And in this tutorial, we're going to be continuing where we left off last time. We're going to be in this video, we're going to be adding in like a little cooldown to like make it so that the user can't spam our Gacha command. And then we're gonna basically be going back into what we normally do. We continuing with our actual command, and I guess I'll also go into how to update the bot in Vulture. But and speaking of Vulture, recently I got my first bill statement from Vulture. They actually didn't charge me the full $5 a month. They only charged me for the amount that I used, which was $1, like $1 or something. I can't remember the exact number, but and I actually didn't have to pay anything because I had the credits. So that confirms what I thought. If you have credits, you don't have to pay anything. Once you start running out, you just refill your credits and you're good to go. All right. And so to do this, to do our little cooldown, I'm gonna set this cooldown to be 10 uses per hour, and that's gonna be very simple to do. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna create a new decorator. It's gonna be at. I have a drink on my thing right here. Okay, it's gonna be at commands dot cooldown, and you can see we have it right here. Now in the past you had to have an import statement. You don't need it anymore because cooldown was moved into the commands the directory of Discord Pi, so everything is good to go now. And so for the parameters, it takes in an integer or a float to determine how many times you want the command to be able to be used before the cooldown activates, and I'm going to be using 10. And I want this command to be the cooldown to be for an hour, which it's gonna which the parameter is looking for is in seconds. So we're gonna need 3600 seconds. And next we have to tell it to like what's the range of the cooldown that we want it to be. You can do it for default, which I believe does it for all of Discord, guild, which does it for like just the entire server, or user, where we're going to be doing it for user, which does it per user. And so it's going to be commands dot command on cooldown, and we're going to it's not actually not command on cooldown. It's commands dot bucket type dot user, and that's all we need to do. This is all going to create our cooldown. But if we do it like this, it's not going to create any error message or any display that shows it to the user that they're on cooldown. So we need to create that. And normally I would create this in events.py, but I decided that I'm actually going to do this directly in general, and I'll just move this over later if I need to, because I just decided to do it in the same one. All right, and so I'll just do it down here. And so what we're going to do is that for whenever we do events, we use a specific parameter. We use commands dot cog dot listener. And what we're going to do is that we're going to create the command now. So it's going to be async def, and we're going to call it on underscore command underscore error, which this is going to create what's called an error handler. So it's basically like this. We're basically telling the bot what to do if there's an error. And so when we press parentheses, it's automatically going to create the self. So, and we're going to need a CTX for context, and we're going to need a variable. I'm just going to call it exe for like exception, for like just for error. You can call it whatever you want. And then we're going to create an if statement, if, and we're going to use the variable is instance. This is a predefined variable that we have to use. Then exe, the variable we created, and then we're going to do commands on cooldown. Command on cooldown. All right. And now we're going to basically tell it what to do when the command is on cooldown. And so what we're going to do is that we're going to create a variable. So times, I'm going to call it time left. Now what I could do is just do exe dot retry after, and that will just display what the actual amount is, amount of seconds that we have left. However, if we do it like this, it's going to display it as a long decimal, and I do not want that. I actually want to round that up. So what we're going to do is that we're going to do round, and then we're going to do exe dot retry after. Now when we do this, it's still going to be, it's going to round it up, but it's still going to be 3600 seconds. And not everyone can realize it. Not everyone is like, well, not that they're not aware of it, but it takes a little bit of thinking to understand that 3600 seconds is an hour. So we're going to make this more like easier to read. So what we're going to do is that we're going to create another variable called minutes left. And basically we're going to convert that convert the seconds into minutes. And to do this, all we need to do, time left divided by 60. Because there's 60 seconds per minute, and that's going to give us the time. But if we do this, it is going to bring us back to decimal, so we need to round it up again. Minutes left equals round, and we're going to just round up minutes left. And then all we need to do is it's just create the await statement. So await ctx dot send, and then we're going to create a format statement, and I'm going to say you can only roll up to 10 times per hour. Please wait. Then we're gonna do a curly brackets or whatever they're called. I really actually have no idea what they're called. I'm gonna do minutes left, and then I'm gonna do minutes left. No, wait, actually, minutes before. Before trying again. Okay. And that's gonna do it. All right, and with this, our cooldown is done. That's all we need to do. And so now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna add in some new characters to the bot. I'm gonna add in four characters this time, but these characters I'm not actually gonna show on screen, mainly because there's a lolly in one of these in one of these well, one of these characters is a lolly, so I do not want a lolly on YouTube. So I will keep this off screen. Well, not really off screen. I will still be doing this. Will not be going to be cutting this part out on the actual pictures though. I'm gonna actually put off the screen. I'm gonna put on my second screen. Okay, and I copied and pasted the URL for these albums that I created. Okay. And so the first character we're doing is what's her name? I can't even remember what fate servant she is. Oh, this one's safe for me to show, so I'm gonna bring her over. Yeah, her. I can't remember what her name is. I'm gonna have to search it up. I believe I have a folder for her, because I always create folders for the characters that I add, so I can always look back to see what their names are. Okay, let's see. Hokusai, that's what her name is. Yeah, because I need to know what their names are. So let's go ahead and start adding her in. Alright. So first thing, yeah, let me actually minimize this and this so I could see. Because last thing I want is for me to be coding and you can't see anything. Okay, and so we're gonna add in some new ones. Let me just pull up the folder again. Just pretend that I'm renaming it. There we go. And that's her name. Katsuhiko Hokusai. Lonely. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. That's 6. That's 7. That's 8. That's 9. Oops. That's 10. So let me count. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. So 50 to 59. Okay. Then put a comma right here. Fate/grand order. And I'll copy this. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. That's 6. That's 7. That's 8. That's 9. That's 10. Okay, and again count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 57, 58, 59. And so I'm going to, for the comment here, I'm going to do 50 to 59 Hokusai. There we go. And now I can start copying over the images. So comma. So put copy image location. Oops, wrong thing. There we go. All right. Copy image location. All right, the third one. Now the fourth one. Now the fifth one. Now the sixth one. Now the seventh one. Now the eighth one. Now the ninth one. Should only be one more left. Yep, one more. That was a mistake there. All right, and same thing. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. 50 to 59 Hokusai. And the reason why I'm counting every single one is because the way I have this set up, it's very dependent on like the index of all of these lists. So I need all three of the lists to be equal to each other. So I'm just making sure that I didn't that all the lists have exactly the same amount of indexes, and that's why I count them every single time that I finish a block of links or a section of the list. Okay, so that one's done. So now go to the next one. This one is Jack, I believe. Yes, it is. And this is the one that I did not want to show on screen. Not that there's anything wrong with Jack, it's just that I just feel uncomfortable with showing a lolly on YouTube. Jack the Ripper. Copy. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is going to be 60 to 69. And just to make sure, because I know that this is 59, so 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Okay, and Jack is from Apocrypha, so Fate / Apocrypha. Copy. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. So again, 60 to 69, and I'll put Jack. And the images. Copy image location. Copy image location. Oh wait, I miscounted. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm on the 5th one, which is actually the really high quality one. Damn it. So that should be all of them. So should be 69, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Perfect. 60 to 69, Jack. Okay. Yep. All right. So now the next one. So 2 more. So this one is MHX. I'm not gonna put the short name though. I'm gonna put the full name. Mysterious Heroine X. Yeah, that's her name. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there's one more, so So this is 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Perfect. 70 to 79. Okay. And I'm not sure if MHX was in any fate besides FGO, so let me search that up. That's what the wiki is for. No, she first appeared in Fate Grand Order. Okay. Fate / Grand Order. Copy. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Let me actually go up. Yeah. I just wasn't sure about that number. 70, 79, and H. X. There we go. And now the images. Doing the images is actually my least favorite part about doing the gacha command, because I lose count of which image I'm on. Okay, now the third one. The fourth one. Now the fifth one. Now the sixth one. Now the seventh one. Now the eighth one. Ninth one. And the 10th one. And I have one more. So 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. 70 to 70. 79 MHX. Okay, and the last set. Copy. For some reason, this album that I did got labeled as adult material. I'll actually show it, and because there is clearly no adult material in this album. Look. I guess maybe this one could be classed as adult, but that's I don't see how this could be flagged. Okay. So now the final one that we're gonna do is Cleopatra. I actually really enjoy Cleo. She has a good design. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm not going to add any more, so I don't need a parentheses. So 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Perfect. Okay. And Cleopatra is another one that I'm not sure when she premiered at. I don't think she premiered in any other than FGO, but I just want to make sure. Yeah, she premiered in FGO. Yeah, that's the thing with some of the Fate servants, that some of them come from other Fates, but a good majority of them only premiered in FGO. And Ushiwakamaru is a perfect example of that. She premiered in FGO. So Fate / Grand Order. Copy this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Perfect. 80 to 89. Just put Cleo. Because there's no other Fate servant with us whose first name starts with Cleo. Okay. Alright. Copy image location. That's the first one. The second one. Third one. Fourth one. Fifth one. Sixth one. Seventh one. Eighth one. Ninth one. And last one. Okay. All right. And so now we need to go into images to remove those servants that we added, because I am eventually going to delete this script, because I will not be needing it. So yeah, this I delete. This I delete. I don't know what this is. What type of DB maybe? Cleo. Delete. And that's the die command. Okay. So it looks like the only ones that I was able to delete was Cleopatra. And I actually might end up not actually doing the update on screen because I am running out of time. Okay. So the first thing we got to do for updating this is, as always, we got to update this. So we added 4 of them. So now it's going to be 228 because that's the total amount of waifus that we have in this gacha command. This stays the same because it's 0 to 319. So if we go to our S tier, it's 319 characters, or 319 indexes. But the A tier is actually going to increase. So we're adding. Wait, actually. Let me actually see some. Yeah, that's right. Well, actually, let me add that in. So 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 89. Let me make sure that I did that one also. Yeah, I did. Okay. I just forgot to do that last one. So yeah, the amount is going to be 89 because we want to include all of them. So it's going to be 89. Okay, and so now we need to pull up the calculator because we need to do the calculation. Okay, so we'll put it over here. So we have 328 total. So 328 times 3% equals 10. So we want it to be less than 11, which that's still the same. Then it goes up to, I believe it goes, I always forget what it is. I believe it's 1%, 3%, 10%, 50%, and then 80%. Yeah, I'll go with that. Actually, I have a way I can search it up. Yeah, it is 10%. Okay. So, so now we do the same calculation, but 10%. 328 times 10% equals 33. So yeah, it's still the same. And now 50%. 328 times 50%. 164. So it needs to be 165 now. It's always this one that always needs to be updated. And then everything else is just the D tier, which is the biggest percentage. And how far are we? We are at exactly 40 minutes, which is how much I would like to make these videos. So yeah, I'm actually gonna do the next part off screen, and it's almost 3 a.m. right now, so I'll probably do it right now or like tomorrow or something. But I'm gonna update the bot off screen. So yeah, this has been Mega, and I will see you again next time.